Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are well and doing your work properly. So it's time to start with next chapter, that is chapter number 9, playing with numbers. In this chapter we will deal with four type of brackets. We will deal with four type of brackets. First one is bar. Bar is just a simple bar. There could be question in your maths and exercise that like this 5 minus 3, but it can be in bracket, that is like here. This bracket is called bar. So next bracket is small bracket, or we call it parenthesis. Small bracket is just like this, like this, like this. Next is curly, or we call it middle bracket. There is little bit curl in the middle of the bracket, that's why we call it curly bracket. And the last is square bracket, just like this is called square bracket. So in this chapter we will apply the method that is called BODMAS. I think you have already dealt with this formula, that is DAMAS. You know this formula, that firstly we discuss division, then we solve multiplication, and then addition and subtraction. But there is something more that is included in your syllabus now, as you are in next class. That's why they have included bracket in also, bracket in your syllabus also. So that is BODMAS. This formula is called BODMAS. Here bracket can be in your question, that four type of bracket that we have discussed. Any one of four brackets, any one of these four brackets can be in your question, or it can be possible that all the four brackets can be in your question. So I will tell you that how to solve that brackets whenever we will start with sums, as I am going to start. So with every question I will tell you that how to solve them. So without delaying, let's start with exercise 9a. This is full in your syllabus. Okay, the first sum is 19 minus 1 plus 5 minus 3. In this case, beta, firstly we will deal with the bracket. We will open it, then we will solve our further sum. So what we call this bracket? This is the small bracket. So firstly we solve it. We will write 19 as it is, minus 1 plus 5 is 6, minus 3. So here is the more important thing that we have to focus on, that is the signs. In this case, if you check the 19, there is no any sign in front of 19. So it will be considered as a positive number. Where there is no any sign is given, that number is considered as a positive number. So 19 is the positive number. But if you check 6 and 3, both are negative numbers. So we can say that both are from the same team. So they will not fight with each other. So they will, whenever they need to fight, they will collaborate with each other. They will come together to fight with enemy. So they will come together. 6 plus 3 is 9. What about the sign? They will take their own sign with them, so that if anyone from the same sign comes with them, they can collect with him. Okay. So here, now the fight has been started. See the number, that this is positive number and this is negative number. Who is the stronger team? 19 is stronger. So who will win the match? 19 will win. So 19 minus 9, what will be the answer? Answer will be 10. So here, what about the sign? Whose sign will be there? The bigger team, the stronger team, who will win the match, that team will kept his sign with itself. So it is a positive number, so sign will be positive. Either if we write it like 10 only, it will be sufficient. Why? Because if there is no any sign, then it will be considered as a positive term. That is the required answer. So our next sum is, that is 30 into 6 divided by bracket start 5 minus 2 bracket close. What we call this bracket? This is the small bracket, or we call it parenthesis. So According to BODMAS, firstly we have to deal with bracket. So first we will solve this bracket, then we will apply any other operation. 30 into 6 divided by 5 minus 2 is 3. Whenever we solve the operation, we will open the bracket. So here next is divide. So now we will deal with division. 30 will come as it is into. When we will divide 6 with 3, it becomes 2. So 30 into 2 is equal to 60. That is the required answer. Next question. I think it's easy one, or you can do it easily. So you will try it by yourself. Let's start with question number 4, in which you can see that there are two brackets are given. Firstly, we will open which is in the inner side, and firstly we will open that bracket. 9 as it is, bracket started. What we call about this bracket? This is the square bracket. So firstly solve this bracket. 4 minus 3 is 1. Plus 2 into 5, bracket close. Again by BODMAS, bracket we have opened, division is not in our question. So what we will solve? Firstly multiplication. So here solve the multiplication. 5 into 2, 10. Solve the bracket. 10 plus 1 is 11 and open the bracket. Who is the bigger team and the stronger one? That is 11. So when 11 will fight with positive 9, so it will won by 2 marks. It will be won by 2 marks. So what about the sign? Stronger team will keep its sign with itself. That is the required answer. And the question number 5, I think this question is similar to question number 4. Question number 5 is similar to question number 4. In this question, firstly you will solve this and you will get 5 answer. And then you can solve addition and subtraction and open the bracket. You will get the required answer. Hope you will do your sums up to question number 5. And on Monday we will start further. Thank you. In case of any query, you can message me, beta. Anytime you can message me, or you can write in comment anytime. Thank you.